Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get notifications from one person on Snapchat. So first of all, open the application of Snapchat on your mobile phone, and once you're here just click on the chat option, and from here what you can do is just as you can read, like these are the names of the people that are in my chat. So let's say you want to mute someone, or you want to get notifications from one chat, so just click on the profile, and from here you can just click on chat and notification settings. So once you click on chat and notification settings, just click on manage notifications. And once you are into the manage notification, let's say as you can read, like mute chats, mute calls, notification sounds and ringtone. So from here, let's say you want to mute chat of the specific person, so you can mute it. You want to mute call, you can mute it. And let's say like this is the person whom from you want to get the notification, so you can just turn this off if that is turned on. And let's say that you just select the other sound, like notification sound, you just change the notification sound to another sound. So in that way, this person will have a unique notification sound once you receive any kind of chat or like any kind of streak from this person. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can select one person to get notification, and you can just mute the rest of them.